Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming key prerequisites. Your mobile data plan, battery level, and that Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. Open settings and go straight to hotspot or tethering. Set a clear SSID name and a strong password. This prevents freeloaders and keeps latency lower. Choose a 4 GHz band if range matters, 5 GHz for speed. Once done, toggle the hotspot on and watch for the active icon. This tells you the phone is broadcasting and ready for connections. Once your hotspot is broadcasting, make sure to refine the configuration so performance stays reliable. You should pick the frequency band. Use 5 GHz for faster throughput and less interference, or 4 GHz for better range. Limit the maximum number of devices to prevent bandwidth hogging and set an automatic timeout to save battery. Enable WPA2 or WPA3 security, and, if available, turn on MAC filtering for trusted devices. These steps reduce congestion and explain why your connection remains stable over time. Now connect your laptop or tablet using the SSID and password you created. Confirm the client receives an IP address and internet access by loading a simple page. If there's no connection, first restart the hotspot and then the client device. This clears temporary network conflicts. Make sure data roaming or carrier tethering isn't blocked and monitor data usage to avoid caps. If problems persist, toggle the frequency band, update device software, or contact your carrier. These actions solve most remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.